This is our Maxus Deliver 9 long wheelbase high roof panel van. It's finished in obsidian black, as you can see, registered in May 22 on a 22 plate, and it's covered 8,000 miles. It has the diesel 2-litre engine, that's the 163 PS D20 engine, and we've got it priced at £26,000 plus the VAT. So we're just going to walk around the exterior of this panel van in, as I say, obsidian black, and it is presented in terms of the exterior paintwork and panels in good condition. There's nothing that I need to draw your attention to in terms of the exterior. So rear parking sensors standard on the entry-level model, but the advantage of the convenience pack which is fitted to this vehicle is it has a reversing camera. So one feature of the convenience pack is that very, very clever reversing camera. Gives you great view out of the back when you are reversing. My goodness, that's a rarity. You can see me. That's black for you, isn't it? So yeah, in good condition, presented well. Let's have a look in the load area. So just looking at the interior, I mean, clearly this is where it's been used in its 8,000 miles. Ply lined on the walls, the doors, and a steel bulkhead as well. I've made the decision to have a wood floor fitted next week. Not that you'd know what next week means, depending on when you watch the video, isn't it? That's a silly thing to say. But it will have a wooden floor fitted just because the non-slip floor has been stained, and there's nothing we can do about that, and in some cases split, as you can see there. So as typical with a van, it has been put to use, but I'm going to put a wooden floor in, a ply line floor, just to kind of bring it back to a newish looking interior. Also fitted with these LED lights on the interior. And trust me, that makes a massive difference with the darker nights, especially drawing in. That's a really good light to have on the interior load space if you're moving around and needing it as it's drop dark. Let's have a look in the cab. I'm moving inside the cab now. Big door bins, the electric windows are mounted on the driver's door armrest, the electrically operated door mirrors from this panel here. The driver's seat is height adjustable. It also has the advantage of a armrest. The floor is this non-slip flooring all the way through, and you see this neat little foot locker for the person that's going to be sitting on the middle seat, just to give them a little bit more room. Quite a clever idea, that. And comfortable seats. 6 airbags fitted to this vehicle, so if you're not actually driving it yourself and you're giving it to a member of your team, then a driver passenger airbag, and then airbags in the A and B pillars as well. That's the big plus for the interior, which is the 10-inch screen, the touch screen that allows you access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from the USB port you see just in the fan area over the far side there. Air conditioning is also fitted as standard. Automatic emergency brakes. You've got eco and power mode, so 2 different modes of driving. Lane departure warning as well. Manual 6-speed gearbox. Cruise control on the multifunction steering wheel, and then to the right you'll see the infotainment services remote switches for either Apple CarPlay and Android Auto when you're plugged into it, or just your normal radio when you're not. And just homing in on the miles, it's 8,045 miles. So a really nicely equipped and comfortable interior to this van as well. So just to summarise, this is our Maxus Deliver 9. It is the long wheelbase high roof panel van that has the D20 2-litre diesel engine, 163 brake horsepower. It's registered in May 2022 on a 22 plate. As you can see, it's done just over 8,000 miles, or 8,045 miles as you saw earlier in the video, and finished in obsidian black. It has the advantage, don't forget, of that convenience pack, which is the all-important reversing camera, 10-inch screen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which of course is your Google Maps, so satellite navigation through that. We got it priced at £26,000 plus the VAT. Look forward to hearing from you soon.